Palavi Anand and I welcome you all in a session of social study. This is the 19th chapter, that is India, the government. In this very chapter we will learn something about the Indian government, the state and the central government, and all what are the works and the duties of the government. These all we will discuss in this very chapter. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. In the world, the India is coming in the 7th position, and the second largest populated country after China. In the term of population, India is coming in the second position after China. In the term of population, India is the second largest populated country in the world. The largest country in the subcontinent of South Asia. India is the largest country in the subcontinent of the South Asia. And country is governed by the political system which is known as government. The India is governed by the political system which is known as government. India is the you can say the largest democracy. India has the largest democracy. The government is the governing body of the state. The government is the governing body of the state. It has a division of power. Indian government is being divided into two parts, that is central government and the state government. Central government take care about all the 29 states and 9 union territories, and state government look after the particular states. So in the central government, India is a democratic country. As I said, India is a democratic country. We can elect our individuals, our leaders. We can elect by our own. So we can elect our own government, and the duty of the central government is to look after the welfare, look after the safety, look after the security of the people, of the Indians. So the Indian government, central government, and their duty is to look after the welfare, safety and security. The Indian government is the parliamentary republic. Indian central government, you can say it as a parliamentary republic. President is the head of the country, or president is the first citizen of the country, and the prime minister is the head of the government. The prime minister is the head of government. Parliament house. Indian parliament is divided into two parts, that is two houses are there. We can say it Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. Two houses of Indian parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. The second government is the state government, that is the government which look after or take care about the particular state, a place which is center of the country. Country's government is called its capital. Each state has its own individual capitals, and all the head office, all the leaders, all the political parties and all the central offices are located in the capital of the state. Next is each state has its own government. All the 29 states of India has its own government. The duty of the state government is to see the progress, to see the welfare of the people. They take care about the education system of the, they take care about the business policy, they take care about the taxes, they take care about the state government also take care about the vacancies and all. So these are the duties of the state government. The governor is the head of the state. Governor is the head of the state who take care about the state government, and chief minister is the head of the government of the state. Union territories are directly under the control of the central government. All the 9 union territories are come under the control of the central government, but the state have its own government system, and the government that is governed by the political system. So this is the India and the government. Hope you understand. Go through the chapter, learn it. Okay, bye, take care.